I got a mind full of aggravation. I can take it if I just relax. I say a prayer for the motivation, keep me solid so I stay on track. But there's a monkey on my back and he don't know how to act. Got me climbing up and down the walls. Now I gotta make a choice, maybe then I can rejoice, 'cause I'm sick of all the same withdrawals. I got a mind full of inspiration, and I ain't living in the past no more. So beach to rise on the big blue sky, and wave bye-bye from the long black Cadillac. Pay the price, gotta roll those dice, and wave bye-bye from the long black Cadillac. From the long black Cadillac. I hear the sirens of redemption screaming out like never before, and there's a roadblock in every direction, but I ain't stopping 'cause I'm in control. And there's a monkey on my back, so I gotta set a trap, 'cause I'm sick of all the same withdrawals. I got a mind full of inspiration, and I ain't living in the past no more. So beach to rise